question by two of us. If karma works, can we get what we want by planting the seed of karma? Such as if you want to get rich, then you make people rich first. Such as if you want to have a company, then you provide a company to lonely people. And also we heard that if you do good things, specific good things, in accordance with what you want, and you think about the good deeds, instead of forgetting about it, thinking about emphasize this. And then the seed of karma will grow crazily, and then you will get what you want this life, but not next life. We just don't know if this is true. We will look a little bit into the tradition of the academy because they are very young, but this must be a concern of many worldly people here, which is like us. Thank
you. Natson shina le zikidene tene namba mombo ziyore tene chu te pe garezen te naka mombo ziyore le ngare de tene chen de zwe tongchum nyongjer chen dala drumne tene chen di tong tene 다 랑거 좀바 준나 조파 곰나 드니 샤가칸 좀나요 목술 그 니바 침보즈 첸디 땅아 영매요게 된자요래 드네요 랭가리도 드니 첸데 좀네는 쳄시마야 드니 기니 뇽저 드니 기니 드니 지마다리 뇽뇽뇽 기와 추마 베나 참메피레 파사 파마사 팔라 소바시는 된자요래 드네요 랭가직 때 드니 다 지마 다리 체르 몽보고 지네 명ongge 다 덴제양 다리 랭가레 요제 베나 다 디솔로 야차 몽보 손에더니 레테 넘버 명ongge 덴자양 요래 데네요 랭가식데 다 님보 라만라 그 차송데더니 아마 뇽 이바 있나요 지마 다리 뇽을 망이바 다 뇽이 이바 메바 덴제양 랭가레 요래 그때인데 마수 가성되는 건 뭐만 보지 그 달레 김지스기도 연심민심이 그 체인들라 되네 뭐바 뭐보요래 배나 가리가 좀바 동야도는 따페 체인들라 여러 식보조야던 되네 조파 곰나야는 체인들라 지금 랑 지약 보용아 되네 딘자다는 대신도는 지 잔라 로바시네 나지 랑가 켐탑데 대조지 토모용아 딘자 산산레다 이나요 다 레지기도 베나 샹바가 되네마레 사원 시카 사원 살라타미나테 동카마 토제마나 디츠 통통즈 그런 만도요 말에 되네 되네 땅아 수추그나나 제네나 나마카르키 타티 릴라토 시마카르키 타티 릴라토제 까마칸자인 타타가 다리 리텔라테나 코레 되네 시마칸자인 타가 타타가 정글 레소코 킨델라테나 코레 소요레 되네 인디 저 좀 멍멍치가 배나 사식 수소네나 처마가 지금 레김지기도 지금 테마터도 여러분 영원 저차요래 삼거요래다 따때 지금 직된 거좀 저직단 리모 사원 말한데나한테 레라보 차요 말아 되는데 할란사찬에 때 장바 요 말에서 오늘 장바 요래서 오늘 간래야 고만도 가슴 가리지는데 배 장바 몸보요래인데 가리는 나나 장바 요 말에서 정말 탕래인데 간래 고만도 다 가서 장바 같으니 사온 거 배전에는 레텔라 배 고지요래
So we talk about karma here, and then it's important to know that there's different types of karma, also in the way they ripen. So you have karma that you do in this life, and that it actually comes to fruition in this life. But you also have karma, the second type of karma, that only comes to fruition in the life after this life. And then the third type of karma is basically the karma that ripens in the life after the next life, or the lives after the next life, and you don't know when this is. It may be hundreds of years or hundreds of lifespans. And then it is also not necessarily that you will be able to actually experience the result of the karma you do, then you might do something in the meantime that destroys that. When you speak of karma that you experience in this life, then that you can experience in this life, then we often think of generosity, and that's is something that you will get back, or being patient. That's an attractive quality. So this is something that you can experience in this life. But it is something that, and also like when we help other people, that we get good company and help back. But it is something that generally is not experienced straight away. When you think of it in terms of, planting a seed, then when you plant a seed, still you have to wait for harvest time. And from a Dharma perspective, what we say is, if you want to know what kind of karma you've done in the past, look at your present circumstances. If you want to know what you will become in the future, look at what you do now, your current actions. So this is something, and it's you see a lot of people in the East have this idea of karma, that actually they want the direct experience, the results of karma, that you do something and you want to see the results of it. But it doesn't work like this. So you plant something as a farmer, and you then have to wait for it to grow, and only then you can harvest it. And actually I don't know whether you get this sort of simile, because in the Netherlands I've seen a lot of meadows and plains, but actually no farms so far. So I wonder whether there are farmers at all. But it is, you can think of it as planting a seed.
Can you repeat the last sentence? Planting the seeds.
You can think of it as planting a seed.
Sorry?
Planting a seed. Yeah.
You can?
Yes.
Doing an
Yes, you
action.
can. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Doing an action is planting.